Hi, Matthew Ray, MarineMax Sarasota. Today I've got a nice trade we took in. It's a 2017 Sea Fox 266 Commander. Now we get nice trades in all the time. Trading this boat in on a beautiful Boston whaler. This is a 2017, great offshore boat, perfect for fishing outside, taking on the blue water experience. We've got, of course, floor-mounted fish boxes, 55-gallon live well right here. We got a bolster seat that pops up here. For additional seating, flip up, integrated seats here. So in addition to being a great fish boat, offshore, this is a great cruising boat too. Bring the family on board, wrapped up, what have you. Foamy bolsters throughout, so it's nice and soft. We've got seadek on the back of the swim platform and also at the helm. Seadek here for footrests. Got an electric head with a holding tank, Garmin electronics, twin 150 Yamahas, only 48 hours on it. Now in my hand, this is a paper for a new boat. A new 2017 leftover, $119,000. This boat from MarineMax with 48 hours on the engines, $98,000. How can you beat that? Let me show you a little bit more. Electric head, as I mentioned in here, nice compartment with a holding tank. You've got seating up in the front with storage for your gear. Look at this, nice feature. Backrests on each side. Really nice feature for the family. Corsa windlass. If you want to learn more about this boat or any of the great trades or new boats that we put out here at MarineMax, please reach out to us. Matthew Ray, MarineMax Sarasota.